friends from overseas, from the country, members of the Asia Pacific Scout Guide Fellowship, sir, there is always a debate as what is the relationship between National Scout Organization and the Scout and Guide Fellowship. Because WOJM or WACS, they recognize only one National Scout Organization. Bharat Scout and Guides is the representative organization, National Scout Organization as well as National Guide Organization, recognized both by WOJM as well as by WACS. Now, Mr. Mekhi already showed a certificate. Look, this fellowship program is also supported by WOJM as well as by WACS. We in Bharat Scout and Guides wholeheartedly, with full devotion, with full commitment, support India Scout and Guide Fellowship.
Let's go!
Now, sir, under the leadership of Justice Kalpesh Jhaberi, we expect you to play much bigger role. As of now, we are 6 million. We have a target by end of the term of the present National Council to reach to 10 million. That is our target. And we expect India Scout and Guide Fellowship will not only support us for activities, but will also include more and more senior citizens, more and more respected citizens, more and more people who are well known in the society to know Scouting, to join Scouting, particularly the India Scout and Guide Fellowship, so that with their being in the Scouting, people start knowing about the Scouting, so that the Scout and Guide movement is not diluted. Now, sir, we treat you as patron of Bharat Scout and Guide. We treat you as supporter of Bharat Scout and Guides. We treat you as guardian of Bharat Scout and Guides. So, sir, we have put a very great responsibility on you, sir. We require support of senior citizens like you, sir. We require support of Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship. And I hope your wholehearted support will help us. Sir, organization like this, where you are involving senior persons, you are involving adults who are actually having a role as scouts in the community, that will be a very big service for the country, sir. Because a person who was a scout till 25 years of the age, once he goes out of the formal training, he goes in the society, he plays his role in the society, and if he is having the virtues which he got inculcated as a scout, he will be very useful asset for the society, sir. So, there are large number of people who are at different positions playing their different roles in the society. They were a scout, but we lost track of them. So, sir, it is you who has to bind these people together, so that not only they play their role in the society, but they are also in a position to help us in our activities, help us in training young people, help us modifying our programs. With that thing in mind, we, sir, expect you all being senior citizens, you all being having enough experience of life, we expect you, sir, you will think on our behalf, and whatever you think and finalize, sir, we will execute it on the ground. So that is with that objective, I am very thankful to India Scout and Guide Fellowship that you have invited us on this occasion, and I pray Almighty all success of the task you have taken in your hand. But at the same time, sir, I also pray God, we will continue to get your blessings in the future. Thank you very much.